Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I want to talk to you about CCCA, 3 C's and an A. It's a mouthful. It stands for centrifugal, cicatricial alopecia. I'll put it down below so you can see. Basically, this is an autoimmune disorder, we think, that basically affects the crown or central areas of the head. One of the C's is central. Typically, we see this in a lot of African American women that have an unexplained loss of density in the central areas of the head, away from where they would normally have traction alopecia, which would affect the edges. This can be very, very challenging to treat, but it's often treated with steroid medications. Very, very important to get on this early. The earlier you can get treatment, the better results you're going to have. Oftentimes when this is long-standing and a lot of the damage and follicles have been destroyed, there's not much you can do. Even a hair transplant will not often work in these areas, or maybe just work for a short time before this process could flare up and destroy things. Very important that you have a doctor that understands CCCA and some of the other scarring alopecias to make sure you're a good candidate for a hair transplant. Scalp biopsies and other diagnostic modalities can actually help you figure out what this is and what your options are for treatment. If you have any questions, call us here, Natural Transplants, 844-327-4247. Hope to hear from you soon.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.